Hey guys, what's happening? It's MADSTAR back again with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So in the past week it climbed I think 10% actually from where it was, and it's been one of the biggest weeks since 1936 for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So we saw that when the market was falling, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell over 35% guys from where it was. And now it just had a massive rally, and it's already only 14% below where it was in January. So as you can see, the market climbed a lot last week, and that's because of the new cases reducing, and people are actually starting to see that the number of coronavirus cases are peaking, which means the curve will kind of go down now, and people are being optimistic, and big hedge funds actually are buying a lot of stocks. And some of the stocks that had fallen so much are being bought by a lot of companies from Saudi Arabia as well, and a lot of hedge funds are pumping money into this market. So last week was an amazing week and had an amazing rally, but what I think is that next week might not be as great, and these are the reasons why. Because the cases of coronavirus, to me, I think are not really reducing, they're just stabilizing. So I think the cases still might increase in the USA, and I'm pretty worried of the USA. Even though I think they're testing the most out of most of the countries, there's still a big issue in USA, and Trump even says he might delay opening up the economy. So those might be some things to consider, and I wouldn't invest at this point when the market has risen so much already, and I think there could be a downfall. So I would really be patient. Patience is key, guys, and if the market comes back to the levels of 23rd of March where the market was 35% down, then those levels are a clear buy, guys. But now, after this huge rally, I don't think you should be buying into the market right now, although it might be a mistake not buying. But like, there's something called FOMO, guys. It's called fear of missing out, and that every person has, because they're like, oh, the market's going up, why not let me buy it right now? I'm gonna miss out, and then I'm gonna lose a lot of money that I could have made. So that's going around a lot of people, guys. But the market can't just come up to where it was 2 months ago, because there's still problems, guys. The economy is going to be shut down for a lot of time, so it's important to consider that. Therefore, my final advice is just to be patient. Maybe if the market falls 5% next week, you can slowly start buying in, but I wouldn't buy too much right now. And if you have any positions that you bought long term, you can consider short term trading them and sell them now and wait for the market to fall and buy them again, because it's just been amazing rally. And maybe the only thing that might help the market go up next week is the oil prices, guys. Oil has been absolutely destroyed, and that's because of supply and demand. And I think that the oil prices might actually rise because of the OPEC deal, and the OPEC countries decided on a 10 million barrel cut per day or per month, I'm not too sure, but that was OPEC, guys, and they will reduce the supply. So hopefully supply and demand makes the price of oil come near 30, or at least above 30. So I might look into some oil companies. One of the oil companies I have recently been involved with is Occidental Petroleum. It's called Oxy, O-X-Y. But yeah, it's owned by Warren Buffett and also Carl Icahn. So I'll definitely look into that. I'll maybe make another video on that next time, and maybe if you like that, well, there's something that you can consider if you think oil is gonna rise. And I think it's currently trading at $15, and even Warren Buffett purchased it at $40, guys. So even the best investors in the world are losing money right now, so it's a great time to take an opportunity, guys. Other than that, that's my opinion on the market moving next week. If you enjoyed that, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe, guys. And thank you, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Big